Today one is mommy and last one. Yes, you heard me right. Others have gone to school, and for me, I did not go to work today. Devin's hair have been like this for 1 week now, and I'm like, today I must make this hair before they will come back, unlike before. So guys, I make sure that Devin was in the mood. I showered him first. I played with him. I make sure that we were good to go. Hey, I got him. No. No. Good boy, Devin. You want some cream? Not too much. Not too much. Want me to help?
No!
Oh! Cream your face. Good boy. Your body?
Mommy.
Your body. Good boy. Eh?
Bus.
Say hello, guys.
Does.
I am dressing up. Say I am dressing up.
Up.
I am dressing up.
What is this?
What is that style for? Say hello.
No!
Say I'm Devin.
It's
Silly. No, stand up. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Oh wow, 2.
You.
How old are you?
Not you. 1.
You are not 1, you are 2.
1.
No, you are not.
Oh.
Come here. Come on, put your socks. And you say, no, excuse, you want to do it?
Wait.
Okay, do it yourself. Let me get your... Devin, are we going to make your hair today?
Yes.
Good boy. Oh, my best. So, mommy, put this in?
Yes, do.
Yes, I will do.
Yes. Yes, mommy.
Good boy. Which one do you want to watch? Yeah, which one do you... Say, hey, it's working. Wow. Wow. Guys, I have to be quick before he changes his mind. Devin is like a British weather. He can change his mind at any time. Devin, wow. Devin, what happened in school yesterday? What happened in your nursery yesterday? What did you play with yesterday? Did you play with bicycle?
Yes.
Did you?
No good.
Bicycle. Was it fun?
Mommy.
Fun. Good boy. What is your friend called?
What?
Pardon?
The what?
The what?
Yes.
Is your friend called Do What? Is your friend called Do What?
Yes.
Is it? Is it? Wow, Do What? I like Do What. Do you? David, do you like Do What?
The what?
You like him? Is he boy or girl?
No, that.
Devin, is Do What boy or girl?
No, yet.
Not yet?
No, more yet.
Hair?
Yes.
You want to do your hair?
Yes.
Good boy. Devin wants to do his hair. Creams. Wow. Wow. Special cream?
When?
Cream. Special oil?
No.
Oil. Wow. That is better. That is better. The oil you just saw me apply on Devin's hair is coastal and rosemary oil. And I love using this hairbrush because it's really easy. It's electric hairbrush. It's really easy. And what I do, I make sure I reduce it to a very low heat so that it will not cut his hair or hurt him. Is that your friend?
No.
Is that your friend? Take mommy's phone. This mommy phone. Which one? So guys, as you can see, we have already started making the hair. I try as much as possible to make sure I do not hold it too so tight. And I also have to fast forward this video so that it will not be too long, because it took us about an hour and 20 minutes to complete. Devin was really good all through making his hair. I was even surprised myself, because I have never seen him this calm, like when I'm making his hair. If Destiny is not there, this boy will not sit down. He will be screaming. Destiny will engage. Destiny will sing and talk and dance before we finish the hair. But today, nobody was home, just me and this boy. And he sat beautifully, patiently until this hair finished, guys. In fact, children, don't play with them. They can change. In fact, they are full of sense. No, 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 no. Thank you so much for watching to this point of this video. We really appreciate. Please, if you haven't followed us, do us a favor, follow us on our YouTube channel and on our Facebook as well. Thank you for doing so. So guys, for most of us who have 2 years old, come closer. How are you guys able to do it? Because for Devin, before you say you just finished studying up, and you say, before you will say jack or look back, Devin, everywhere is messed up again. You want to make Delilah hair? Delilah's hair? Look at Delilah. Look at Delilah's hair. Delilah, hello. So seeing Delilah make Devin to be more relaxed, and he was just playing with Delilah. He started looking for where he was watching before. He couldn't find it, so I just put a new one for him. He was like, no, that is not what I wanted. And he was like, you know what, let me just concentrate on Delilah's hair. He started making Delilah's hair. So Bobby is making his hair while he was busy making Delilah's hair. Oh my guys, I think we are almost done. We have to go off camera to finish everything. Look at the hair. We are done here, guys. So it's just, I don't know if you guys noticed what I did at the back. What I did at the back, I did one at the back. And here we go. This is it, guys. Oh, David was so happy. And look at him. Aww. Diggy, 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 daga, daga, daga. Say, look at my hair. Say, thank you, mommy, for making my hair. Good job. You're welcome, darling. Mommy love you. You love mommy? Good job.